Creative nerds, in this Illustrator tutorial we'll be sharing with you how you can create a cool 3D text effect using Illustrator in a matter of seconds. So firstly, we want to start off by changing our foreground color to be any color of your choosing. So we're going to go with red, and then we're just going to type out some text in the middle of our canvas. We're going to type out the words creative nerds. And then we're just going to change the typeface so it's larger. So we go with 110. And then we're just going to change the font so it's more of a thicker typeface. So we're going to go with PT Sans. This is a free Google font which you can also download yourself if you want to use the same font. And then we're just going to decrease the line height. So there's less of a space in between our two words. And then what we're going to do is select Effect, 3D and Materials, and select Extrude and Bevel. This will bring up the dialog box. From here, what we want to do is we want to change the off-axis point to be isometric top. And then from there, we want to increase the depth. So this will increase the depth of the 3D aspect of our design. So just keep playing on it until you're happy with how the effect looks. So that looks quite good. So we're going to go with 303 pixels. And then what we'll do is change the color to be red. And there you go, create a cool 3D text effect in a matter of seconds. And it's just so easy to play around with the colors and change it to a color that you might think will work better for this particular design. Hope it's a useful tutorial and a technique that you can use in your design projects. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Illustrator.